Hey folks, looks like it's raining a little bit. Sitting there working on Herbie, and we had a big thunderstorm come through, and now it's raining like crazy. So, yep, there's I guess it's the Upper Iowa University, something like that. All the kids are gone. The parking lot's empty. It's usually full. But anyway, this is what I'm doing. Jeff had to go out and get some parts. We needed O-rings.
And you have a new one of these.
Yep.
So what do you take off? I mean,
we need the bracket. So that means we have to remove that.
This bracket that...
Yeah, the bracket that the thermal bypass valve is attached to. We need that bracket to transfer over to the new.
Got it. How much would it be easier almost to get this off though than trying... These are on tight. To see if that comes off and this comes
Well, if we
off.
do the hoses, then we can just take the whole, unscrew it from here, and just take the whole unit off.
Sure. It's too big, isn't it?
Why has it got two different sizes?
Well, why does one...
Those are nuts.
Yeah, well,
Yeah.
what's up with
They
that?
always do it. One's got to be a bolt, the others are nuts. Take in both directions.
And it's a 13, right?
Sure.
Yeah, it's a 13. So they put one 13 and two 15s. Now, do we have to transfer those studs? Yeah.
Yeah, but we can. We got the sockets for it. It's got those star tips.
We got to transfer these studs then.
Yeah.
So we need to get those off of there. But I can put, let's see, how's that go? Maybe like so. Oh, folks, you see all sorts of stuff here. And you realize you got to do all the fun stuff. Let's see, where's these bits at? I'm probably better off not using a
Like next to it.
Oh, this might be a slow go. Of course, I picked the wrong one. What size will they be? The E8? E8 it is. Now let's see if I can actually get this off of here. Oh, blue Loctite is your friend. Wonder how much blue Loctite they put on this. None.
So is this how you're looking for it?
Yeah, that.
Yeah. But then we need the studs probably.
No, the studs are right there.
Over there. Right there. Cool.
Those two studs right below that bolt. If you look at it.
Yeah.
One more to go. Should have opted for a longer one. Maybe I will. Yeah, a little longer helps. There's no Loctite on these, but boy are they in there snug. Phew! Got them out. That's all it counts.
Good deal. Are they all same length?
Yeah. Well, I took them out and put them right back in the other position. So. They only go so far anyway. Then they bottom out. Just remember, they are aluminum.
Yeah.
There we go. They have been transferred. Don't want to lose that. Here we go. This is your shifter. We're going to clean this up. Oh, oops. Won't be much cleanup on this. You saw that wheel over there? Hey, look, all clean, nice and shiny. Well, we took all the studs and the bolts out of the transmission right here, and we transferred them over to the new transmission. The shifter, we're going to polish that up and reattached it. We'll get it all situated once we hook everything back up. We're not going to do the transfer of this line because it's rusty, so we're just leaving that, and the thermal bypass valve, we're leaving that in that line. And the reason we're doing that is because we have a brand new thermal bypass valve. And this here is the brand new thermal bypass valve, as you can see right there. That's what a new one looks like, and it will mount up right here on these two studs with that bracket right there. We'll just screw it right in there and we'll be set with this brand new thermal bypass valve. And that is the part number right there. Made in Canada. Get this bracket off of here. It's nasty. Yes, we are in the stage of transferring a lot of parts over to the new transmission. So as to not lose these, we'll put these bolts in here until I get this bracket cleaned up. Part of the project is cleaning. Making old parts look like old bus parts. They're not going to look new, but they'll look cleaner.
We're antiquing it.
Yeah, little patina finish, I guess we would say. But we're getting there. Well, we decided that since this line is so rusty that we're going to go ahead and replace it. And here's a part number that's on it, or something to identify it. Looks like a VBT4P7H2420AD. Probably been updated, so we'll do that. This bypass valve is getting thrown in the trash. And this line right here is getting replaced too, because why not? All new parts, no leaks, everything's good. But if we take this away, we now have a completely stripped transmission of everything that we need to take off of it, and we have put everything on the new transmission. The brackets, the bolts for the bracket, the shift lever, and then the bracket for the thermal bypass valve has been put on. So once we get the hoses or lines for that, we'll go ahead and mount those all on there and hook them up. And this transmission will be nearly ready to install onto the engine once we get a couple more parts for the engine. Say hi, Jeff.
Hey, how are you?
This is MACT. Remember, like, subscribe, join. My feet hit the floor today. I'm having a great day, and I want you to have a great day too. Band of One's got some great music, and Mercy girl, where are you? Where are you, baby? Anyway, she's got a couple one-liners for you.
Thank you for watching MACT's videos, and remember to like and subscribe. This is a Mercy Girl production.
Folks, this is the core seal we're putting on the bracket that was on top of the transmission. Wire wheeled it down, washed it up with soap and water, then wire wheeled it, and then I coated it with core seal. And then we will hit it up with some truck bed liner just to make it look prettier. And then we will be done with that and mount it on the transmission. Folks, this is the core seal we're putting on the bracket that was on top of the transmission. Wire wheeled it down, washed it up with soap and water, then wire wheeled it, and then I coated it with core seal. And then we will hit it up with some truck bed liner just to make it look prettier. And then we will be done with that and mount it on the transmission.